anyways guys, so I'm about to get me some Thai curry again, starting off the vlog with some Thai curry. Why not? Why this girl smiling with my man like that? Girl, she's showing them back teeth. Whatever, know what he tell her? We're gonna ask him when he come inside. So you tell that girl about she's showing all about teeth. What y'all talking about? So child, please. Just wanted to show my beautiful face because why not? Oh my gosh, you guys, today was not so bad. I'm just starting to feel a little bad now. You know, like it's sometimes it's always half and half. Sometimes I will be good in the morning, then feeling like shit in the afternoon. I'll be good in the afternoon and feel like shit. What?
I'm telling you over the door.
Boy, so why you gotta wake up? And I get a small cup. So you're gonna put extra dollar on mine to get a small cup?
No, you wouldn't want that.
I don't know what I want. So them big straws, they missing it to me. Hey guys, good morning. Girl, listen, I haven't been out this room for at least 2 days now. Yeah, I just was like, fuck it, I just want to relax. I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to wash no dishes. I don't want to sweep no floor. I just want to relax, and that's what I did for 2 days. After that whole daiquiri, we went to get daiquiri. I was in this room for 2 days, like bed, eat, sleep. Okay, I was just tired as fuck, y'all. Today is very cold, not very cold, but today is really cool. I mean, really cool. Okay, we had to get the big blanket. We had to pull out the big blanket. I'm telling you. I don't know how long this is going to last, but hopefully it lasts a very, very long time, like months. Okay, because sometimes you might get a little cold, then boom, here comes the heat. So I'm enjoying this, but I need to get my ass out of this bed. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean up. Babe cleaned up a little bit yesterday, but you know, man just don't do it like how we do it. They just don't. He clean, but it don't be organized, you know. But yeah, let me get up and I already ate breakfast in bed. I ate breakfast in bed because I just didn't want to do nothing. The rest was needed. Anyways, let me let my hair down because my hair's been up for 2 days now. Because all I was doing was just laying down. I had some Wendy's yesterday, so my hair has been itching like crazy because, you know, as the days go by, the braids starts to loosen up and it just itches. Like, you know, when something is so tight and when it starts to loosen up, it just itches. Ugh. Lord, my edges. I hope I have my edges when these come out, okay? This is cute like this, hanging out like that. You know, I have to lay my edges down. I have to lay my edges down, girl. I don't know, like, it always look like I have some kind of boo-boo or, you know, in the corner of my eye, but it don't be nothing there. I don't know why it looks so white in the corner there. I don't know. Just want you guys to know that there don't be nothing. Okay, this is what is given in here. Not too bad. Yeah, it's bad. Not too bad though. So I'm just gonna straighten up. Okay, so I'm done with the living room for now. Let's move on to the bedroom. Oh gosh, my stomach. Stupid dog wants to stop barking. Okay, my hair's a mess. Oh, my hair just itching about it. It's itching. What the fuck I just said? Anyways, let me give you guys a little preview. So I'm gonna start off with this burr. Yeah, because it's a mess. Then we're gonna make the bed. So I'm all done. I'm about to go in the shower real quick, and I'll come back on the vlog later. Hey you guys. Anyways, so I'm fresh out the tub. I've been on the tub for like, I've been sitting now. It's been like an hour later or so. I was cooking something to eat because I'm hungry. My boyfriend cooked pig feet. Yeah, I don't eat pig feet. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of gross to me. Like, I think it's goat tongue or sheep tongue. No, yeah, sheep tongue. I don't eat that. I don't know. Like, I feel like those things are weird, but I also know that, I don't know, I just don't want to eat certain parts. I just don't want to eat certain parts from a animal, you know. I don't know, like, I just think it's bad and it's kind of gross. So I asked him to taste it, and I asked him to taste the pig feet. And when I got the bowl, I was like, no, I don't want to try it no more, because I don't like fat. And I think that's a bunch of fat. I don't know. I'm going to be cooking some corned beef and rice. Everybody can open this corn. Get your corned beef, your Devon's corned beef. I felt like eating this from yesterday. Oh my god, today. Oh gosh. I'm so hungry. I needed breakfast this morning. It's like after 1. So anyways, you guys, so my rice is on. It's almost done. I feel like crap. I feel so weak. I just want to get it. I just want my rice to finish so I can make this corned beef, girl. Oh my god. I just feel out of it. I have so much bumps, so much fine bumps on my head, around my edges, straight around the back, because this was really tight. The next time she do my hair, baby, I think I'm gonna leave out all my edges. All my edges. Child, I don't want to get too hype and kill all the little bit of energy I have left in me. Anyways, guys, we're gonna open this corned beef together, because I think I opened corned beef once in my life. Yeah. So hopefully we can open this. Okay, let me check on this rice real quick. So I'm gonna put a piece of more butter, and I'm gonna take this off, girl, because yeah, I'm not about to drop out in this kitchen, okay? Check the belly. Look at my line. Look at my little line. Belly back. My belly look cute today. And this is given 6 months. Yeah. Baby's been moving all day. Don't give me a break. I mean, that's a good thing because the doctor said that's a good thing. So I'm not going to complain. But you all see the little line. Okay, we're gonna turn this off. Oops. I need to start my corned beef. Okay, babes. We're gonna open this corned beef together. Okay, instructions. Remove label, attach the key. Remove label, attach the key. Handle down. Wait, pull this off. Girl, hold on. Okay, I think you put this down and you just twist. Crap. Girl. I think I'm doing it the wrong way. I don't know. There we go. Okay. This is definitely the wrong way. Girl, we almost failed. We almost failed. Okay, I did that but by myself. Oh gosh. I don't feel like cutting up no herbs, nothing, no girl. I'm tired. I never cooked corned beef before, so hopefully it come out good. I'm gonna cut up my herbs and stuff and I'll be back. Okay, just gonna dump this in there. Oops. Girl. God damn. Also gonna add some tomato paste. I was just frying on my herbs. Corned beef smell expired. Probably it's all supposed to smell. I don't know. And some tomato paste. So I'm gonna add a little bit of, I'm gonna add some lime just to cut down some of that salt. So we are all done. Here goes the corned beef, the rice, the chef, and I'm not hungry. I did all of that, and I'm gonna eat. I think I'm gonna eat in the next hour. Yeah, I hate when that happens. Like my belly just feels weird, and it kind of feels upset. So I'm not gonna eat now. I don't feel too good to eat. Just gonna drink me a big cup of water and go in the room and relax. I've been watching this show on Netflix. That's what I'm gonna go and do. Finish watch that and eat later.
You okay?
So this is the show I've been watching on Netflix, The Midnight Club. It's almost finished. It has like 10 episodes. I mean, it's okay. I think I'm on episode 6. It's not nothing to be like, oh my god, I can't wait to watch it. I can't wait to watch it again. No, not for me.